my way. Oh, she's a good day. Oh, Donald Gosling. Ito nga, siya, Babylon. Hey, ito nga, siya, Babylon. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Hey, 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 hey. Yo, what's up, Khasi people? Kum no pilong paralog. Welcome back again. Hope everyone is doing well, guys. So, peace from Africa, back again with a new reaction video, guys. Today is gonna be something unique. Yeah, I think, suggested by a lot of Khasi people that I have to see one of these biggest legend of all time. Yeah, I think for me, I know two legends. Maybe you can mention or you can tell me more other Khasi legend that I'm not aware of them. What I know, we have Unson. Unson is among the favorite legend that I love to watch their music. And today we are going to react to one of them, another Khasi legend by the name AnthonyKongwang, guys. Yeah, I think Wanba also is so inspired by AnthonyKongwang, guys. So it's our biggest legend of Khasi artists, guys. So today's song title is Haba Phi Wiat. Haba Phi Wiat, guys. Today we are going to vibe. I'm gonna sing to you. So make sure like this video. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to my vlogging channel. Yeah, and this channel is for you, the Northeast people, Khasi people, Garo people, Meghalayan people, Naya P. Let's go. Put on your earbuds. Put on. Let's feel this song, okay? Haba Phi Wiat. Hey, let's go. I'm starting to feel the beat before the singer is up. Hey, you have to start jumping, guys. This is good. This is good. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Wait. Do like this, guys. This is a yoga exercise for all of you. Start. I'm singing for you. Hey, kadon yang amar wenga ang lingo durba brijong tikman ngasyo mensip kakinde ang no jangan sem kung mapia pertay sing babrio kamnya nakiwe patitay durman tayon bla jong da kiplay pipen shobit pen nom yang ai marway kumutio kula mga pisusin macam nakit ladi yang apa Marway, ngamud durhalaga pertay, ladang dan baki Marway, mendiam kandon, kacngai, isyak tabak kumur pernai, cingingat yang hangat pintai, anre dan angai. Marway. Oh, she's a good day. Oh, Donald Gosling. Ijo nga ngagwa Babylon. Ijo nga ngagwa Babylon. Oh, this is making me crazy, man. Ijo nga Babylon. Hey, ijo nga. Hey, hey. Let's dance, guys. I feel like to jump, but shit, man. The studio is so small. Do like this, guys. This is how we have to do.
Ayo bimo Haba Phi Wiat, dan raido nu jangan pisia. Datuk ngaji
Jengek jongga.
Pimpeli, durjang pika aji kermen, Mama piru hanga kunju, dingin jiwa badai. Oh, ngakar benci sin ngin saya kendo, lada unang tau cingkrung ngolabo, hantangan yoma ia jingin bangas liang, nan santi jang pi kum poli wasyang, panang dami long ken ijong na, panang long ujung pi barajita.
Don't be my way. Oh, shisha today. Oh, donut goslen. Ijonga shisha Babylon. Hey, Ijonga shisha Babylon. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Hey, 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 hey. That's really hit. That's it, man. I'm even sweating, man. Indeed, this guy has to be a super legend, man. A super legend. He has to be legend. Why am I saying this? You know why? Because just imagine those of AnthonyKongwang have been singing from 90s. We can say 90s. I'm just saying 90s because I know legends, obviously they started from 90s. And imagine someone from 90s coming up with such a hit beat, such a crazy, amazing beat, guys. Oh damn, this guy, you know what? Now AnthonyKongwang is clearing some of the confusion or the misunderstanding I used to have about people born in 90s. I used to think people born in 90s, like they never had a good time like how we are having it now in the modern world. You understand what I mean? But damn, man, I'm just wrong about that. People in 90s, they also enjoy it. They also enjoy it, and we have to appreciate them. If not them, we wouldn't have been modernized. Like, for real, see the beat AnthonyKongwang is having, and the song, it's just like the whole vibe is matching. Like, I know AnthonyKongwang is a big legend. This song really inspired and amused me. Haba Phi Wiat, Ijonga, oh, shisha marwe. I love it, guys. I love it. Thank you so much. Don't forget, guys, subscribe, suggest more other music of legendaries or the trending music of Khasi, Meghalaya, Northeast people, guys. Subscribe to my vlogging channel, guys. This is it's a request, guys. I know you guys will do it without hesitation because of you guys, this channel is big. Why not to support the other channel, guys? Because you know what, actually I kept doing reaction video because of you, not because I make money, guys. To be honest, I don't make money from reaction videos because there is a lot of copyright, and like the revenue, the money that come out of whatever I'm making is going to the musician. It's like share, like it's going to them, and sometimes I get copyright. So I'm just doing it because I love you guys. So subscribe to my vlog channel because this is where I create my original content. I don't do reaction there. I create my own content, and maybe I make money to come and see you every year in Shillong, guys. So I miss you guys. I want to visit you. So subscribe to my channel, to my vlogging channel. Love you, Naiya P. Ijonga. You the one watching.